Hey everyone! Welcome to our adventure in Kruje, one of Albania's most historic cities. Today, we're diving into Kruja, a city with around 60,000 residents, located in central Albania. Kruja holds a special place in Albanian history as the birthplace of Albania's national hero, Skanderbeg. Perched high on a rugged hilltop, this city is famous for its breathtaking landscapes and cultural significance. Surrounded by mountains that often soar above the clouds. Kruja offers stunning views of green valleys and crystal-clear lakes nestled between hills. In the old town, you'll walk along cobbled streets lined with traditional stone houses and charming bazaars, a true reflection of Albania's rich cultural legacy. Beyond the old town's historic charm, Kruja's landscape is a paradise of hills, valleys, and lush greenery. It's the perfect place for nature lovers and adventurers, offering a unique view of Albania's vast wilderness. Just below, the new town of Kruja brings a vibrant modern contrast with contemporary cafes, shops and artisan markets, blending traditional Albanian culture with a fresh urban vibe. Now let's talk about the heart of Kruja, the bazaar. Known as the Bazaar of Kruja, this old-style market draws locals and tourists alike, eager to explore Albania's traditional handicrafts. Rows of rustic stalls display handmade carpets, embroidered clothes, pottery, and silver jewelry, each piece crafted with local pride and skill. The market is alive with energy, from haggling over prices to admiring the intricate designs that carry Albania's history in every stitch. One of Kruja's proudest landmarks is the Castle of Kruja. This fortress, dating back to the 5th century, became a symbol of Albanian resilience under the leadership of Albania's national hero, Skanderbeg, who defended the castle during the Ottoman invasions. Today, the castle is home to the Museum of Skanderbeg, where visitors can see artifacts, weapons and manuscripts that bring Skanderbeg's story to life. The museum, built in the 1980s, was designed by Albanian architect Piro Vaso and sculptor Muntaz Drami to pay homage to Albania's most revered hero. Its architecture combines medieval Albanian elements with modern touches, making it blend seamlessly into the fortress grounds. The building itself is almost fortress-like, with high walls and arches, symbolizing the strength and endurance of Skanderbeg's legacy. Inside, carefully curated displays and intricate carvings showcase Skanderbeg's battles, victories, and impact on Albanian identity. Now, a bit about Skanderbeg himself. Born György Kastrioti, he earned the title Skanderbeg after training with the Ottomans and showing remarkable military talent. But Skanderbeg had a change of heart, returned to Albania, and led a historic rebellion against the Ottoman Empire. For over 25 years, he defended his homeland, using Kruja Castle as his stronghold and outsmarting Ottoman forces time and again. His courage and resilience made him a hero and a symbol of Albanian freedom. To this day, Skanderbeg's legacy is celebrated as a source of national pride and identity. Near the museum, you'll find even more historic ruins within the Kruja Castle complex. Sites like the Fatih Sultan Mehmed Mosque, the spiritual Dolma Teki, and the ruins of St. Mary Church add a deeper layer of history to the visit, showcasing the blend of Albanian and Ottoman influences over the centuries. And that wraps up our journey through Kruja. Next up, we're taking you to Tirana, Albania's lively capital. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.